The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skiller! My people, Dancehall Skiller there again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, my people. I am going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that show two hard-working persons in the country of Jamaica. One of those videos shows a female mechanic, and at least two pieces of these videos shows a one-hand man doing mason work. See, some persons might call the one-hand man a disabled person, and some persons might call the mason work laying black or so on. You see, but the point is, the man have one hand and the man do a work where some people wouldn't do it none at all, even though they have two hands. You understand? So I'm going to put all of the videos them together and just present them to you one time. See? I'm going to take a look at these videos and tell me what you think, viewers and subscribers. See? The first videos I present to you, they are going to show the one-hand man doing mason work somewhere in the country of Jamaica, and the other video I'm going to show the female mechanic doing her job somewhere in the country of Jamaica. Let me know what you think about these videos, viewers and subscribers. I'm going to say big up and respect to the two persons shown in these videos, alright? Now, some harsh languages might have been used in at least one of these pieces of videos, so viewer discretion is advised. Here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen and observe.
One and the man of brother. Yo. Man is a great. Okay. One and I go for blood. You see me? Let's say half or a half and the man of brother. I watch it. Man nice brother. Yo, Pinky, man, you make this like a one-hand man, that's it. One and the man of an do him work, you know, brother. One and the dog, watch it. I said, waste man, the on road and big man every time they see him. The from corner, from home, they just cliff and $100. They circle no more, man. One and man, I do it, the batty boy, them I love sweets. Check. One and the dog have an do him thing, brother. No itching, no joke. Alone, check. I'm alone to them, but nobody else. Respect. Okay, oh. Yeah. Listen to them. Off on the clock. Sorry. Yeah. the doctor, you know?
Guardian! Lela, come down and fight it.
Come on, fight that.
Come down and fight that. Come down and fight that.
Still a run.
Come down and fight that. Come down and fight that, come on.
Set.
Yeah, that's control, that's control.
What is it? Top class mechanic, you know? Size up the right way, you know?
Yeah, we put up the one hard work.
Yeah.
Hard work to keep the success.
Yes.
Yes.
Check it out, you know?
Remember good. Enough people now do what they are doing.
Yeah, man, a first class mechanic,
The
man.
lady this.
Yeah.
Remember good.
Yeah, this is the first year work,
Yeah.
you know? Look at it. Yes,
Hard
boy, I
work.
want
You
to
have
work.
some boy never do this. So you don't
Boy, I
remember
want to the
good.
roadside and beg.
Yeah, when you see Kelly and a drive up.
Yes.
But hello.
But what's the
Kelly.
young lady?
Now go look at her. Yeah, now give her money suffering.
Not
Yeah.
easy, yeah?
I'm going to bend your back.
Yes,
Push
hard
in the
work.
work. Sweat. Yeah.
You have to tool them and props on nut and bolts.
What I mean? Yes. Some boy just want easy life. Sit down and wait for a man till them come
Yeah.
in.
This is a young lady named Kelly.
Yeah. Look at it.
Look at it.
And you could have write a book at it.
No joke about it.
Yeah, she not laugh. She do her else. I'm not joking.
When she leave the work, she can write a book about
Right
it.
here. Them do it now down here, sir.
Big machines here. Yeah.
Go back up to the pan. Jarian! Come back up to that.
Yes, the video can stop now.
Yes, man. You want to work hard? Alright, Jarian.
Just there. Yeah.
My people, and then first me I say a female mechanic, but on a real, me still respect the female shown in the video that I just presented to you. Yes, I say hard working. See, hard working. Big up. Yes, I say big up to the one-hand man who did I do mason work, you know. So I say, yeah, big up to the one-hand man there too, you know, because on a real, you know, something like that can cause people to be depressed and reach a certain stage in life where them start to doubt themselves and I say, boy, I can't do this, I'm not going to do that because this happened to me and all them things. You see me? But that man, even though the man have one hand, the man still work, mason work at that, construction work. You see me I say? So I want to big up and respect to that person there. If that person that see that video, yeah, I want to know, so I respect him. You see me I say? And if the female who can be seen in one of those videos to see this video, I want her to know, so I respect her too. So big up and respect to the two persons shown in those videos that I presented to you. Alright? Yeah, big up and respect to all hard-working Jamaicans. You see? Yeah, big up to all hard-working people worldwide. And I have some leave it. So, my people, let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skiller. I'm gonna big up on yourself. You see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skiller! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skiller! You are watching Dancehall Skiller Entertainment.